Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text to superscript in an Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many text. Now we want to convert text to superscript. At first, write anything. Now I am write the two text. Then select the two and go to the font setting option on home menu. Then select the superscript option and click OK. Then we can see we change the text to superscript easily. You can make the same process in another. Now I am write another text and make the text superscript. Now we can see we change text to superscript easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.